Back home now, York United defeated Danvers Pen to gain their first hold on the McKay Security St Under 17 trophy on Sunday. Garfield Jones.
The community of York in St. Thomas is once again in celebration mode. In May, their senior team won the Major League competition and then advanced to the Jamaica Football Championship in June. Now, their youth team has captured their first hold on the McKay Security Under 17 crown. This following a 2-1 extra time win over Danvers Pen in the final played at the Express Sports Complex. The teams were goalless at the halftime break before the game sprang to life in the 76th minute when Danvers Pen's Joshua McClune and York's Kamoy Douglas were both ejected for fighting. However, no goals were scored in regulation time. In extra time, it took a strike from York United's Jaden Reed in the 101st minute to break the deadlock. Denton Brown then pulled Danvers Pen level in the 111th minute after converting a penalty. But York were not to be denied, with Kaif Ritchie getting the winner in the 116th minute, sending their supporters into wild celebration. For coach Zanj Carr, the win is the fruit of hard work from their new academy.
It's a very important victory for us. The academy project here at York, which is the St. Thomas Sports Development Centre, has been working to ensure that the football is developed properly within the club, and so this victory is a statement for that. I mean, it was a very rough game, highly competitive. I actually think we could have won the game earlier, but just credit to my opponents for ensuring that the game was more difficult than we could have gotten it. I'm satisfied with the result.
Meanwhile, a 65th minute strike from Shaquan Sterling was enough for Hearties United to secure a 1-0 win over Golden Grove Sports Club to win the third-place playoff. White Horses Sports Club was voted the most disciplined team at the awards ceremony. DeAndre Beckford of Golden Grove was the Golden Boot winner with 8 goals. The Golden Gloves Award winner was Yalis All-Stars Andrew Irving, while Jaden Reed of Champions York United was the final most valuable player. York United will be hoping to compete in the JFF KFC Elite Youth League next season. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.